When you work out, do you ever smell something funky? A musky odor that shows up 5 minutes into the action and follows you wherever you go? We want you to know, it's not you, it's your clothes. Over time, workout gear can collect deep-set odors from sweat and body oils. When you smell yourself during and after a workout, it's because your clothes are still holding on to that funk. But banishing it is easy with Rockin Green Platinum Series Active Wear Detergent. Formulated to go after built-up biological residues in athletic wear and sports gear in a way other detergents simply can't. With natural ingredients that attack stains and odors trapped in the fabric, plant-based enzymes break down the bad stuff so it washes away, while tea tree oil powers through and rinses clean. So your clothes and gear come out smelling fresh, not fragrant. Because it's formulated for high-tech athletic fabrics, it not only cleans your workout apparel, but also preserves it. So you get to enjoy your favorite high-end gear longer. Use it on uniforms, scrubs, and baby gear. Safely soak things you didn't even know you could clean, like wrist guards, shoes, and pet beds. It's so versatile, we're still discovering uses for it. Platinum Series Activewear is biodegradable, non-toxic, safe for people with sensitive skin, and cruelty-free. And it's concentrated, so one little scoop goes a long way. Each 45-ounce bag delivers up to 90 loads of fresh, funk-free laundry. So go ahead and work out. Whatever funk your busy life creates, tame it with Rockin Green Platinum Series Activewear Detergent. Train, sweat, wash, repeat.